Good evening, everyone. I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about ISRO's Robotics Challenge for Space Robots, Google Drive's storage restriction for WhatsApp backups, X Twitter bans accounts in India, October report, Satya Nadella's cricket-fueled keynote at Microsoft Ignite 2023, and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. ISRO launches a robotics challenge encouraging student submissions for space robot designs. Follows the successful landing of Chandrayaan-3 Vikram on the lunar surface. Titled Let's Build a Space Robot, accepting registrations from 20 November to 15 December 2023, aims to foster skills like communication, collaboration, and problem solving among students. ISRO looks to co-develop future technologies with students for space robotics, evaluation and awards based on jury assessment and fair play attitude. Cash prizes include Rs 5 lakh for the first place, Rs 3 lakh for the second, and Rs 2 lakh for the third. Next we have Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella reveals staying up all night to watch India vs New Zealand World Cup semi-final, acknowledges the scheduling conflict during the Microsoft Ignite 2023 developer conference. Humorously notes the match concluded just 5 minutes before his keynote appearance. Social media speculates if Nadella's keynote started late due to World Cup engagement. Nadella's passion for cricket emphasized, citing its impact on leadership and teamwork skills. Shares his personal connection to cricket acquired during school days, highlights the unexpected joy of cricket amid conference planning. Google Drive restricts storage of WhatsApp backup, impacting Android users. WhatsApp had a deal with Google in 2018 allowing unlimited cloud backup without cost. Google resumes counting WhatsApp chat history backups towards the 15 GB storage limit. Change aligns Android backup experience with other platforms effective in December. Android users starting with beta users will receive a 30-day notification in app. Change gradually extended to all users in the first half of 2024. Users need to manage backups to avoid exceeding Google Drive's free storage limit. AMD announces advancing AI event on December 6, showcasing upcoming AI products. Event to feature the launch of the highly anticipated AMD Instinct MI300X introduces the latest AMD Instinct MI300 data center GPU accelerator family, highlights AMD's expanding collaboration with AI hardware and software partners. Dr. Lisa Su, Chair and CEO of AMD, to lead discussions with executives and partners, focuses on the transformative impact of AMD products on AI, adaptive computing, and HPC. Event aims to demonstrate AMD's commitment to advancing AI technologies. Oppo officially confirms the launch of Reno 11 and Reno 11 Pro on November 23rd in China. Teasers reveal Moonstone, Fluorite Blue, Turquoise Green, and Obsidian Black color options. Both phones features a curved screen with a punch hole and triple rear cameras. Reno 11 Pro boasts a 1.5K 120Hz curved OLED screen and Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC. Reno 11 features a curved OLED screen and Dimensity 8200 SoC. Camera upgrades include a Sony Lightyear LYT600 main camera in Reno 11. Launch event expected to unveil detailed specifications and features. Next we have Samsung launches T5 Evo, a more affordable model compared to the T5 portable SSD. Maintains the same compact design with a weight of 102 grams, offers up to 460 MB per second transfer speed using USB 3.2 Gen to 5 Gbps interface. Features a new black design with a Titan grey ring for easy fastening, built on Samsung's latest VNAND technology for reliability, compatible with PCs, Macs, Android smartphones and tablets, provides extra protection against drops with a metal body and rubberized surface. At last, Elon Musk owned X, formerly Twitter, bans 2,37,339 accounts in India in October. Out of the banned accounts, 2,755 removed for promoting terrorism. Monthly report shared in compliance with new IT rules 2021. 3,229 complaints received from users in India through grievance mechanisms. 43 account suspensions overturned after review. Remaining accounts remain suspended. X processed 78 grievances appealing for account suspensions reporting under new IT rules 2021 for major digital platforms. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news. हेलो दोस्तों, क्या आपने अपने डिवाइस में कभी DCIM नाम का फोल्डर देखा है और सोचा है ये क्या होता है? DCIM का फुल फॉर्म है डिजिटल कैमरा इमेजेस। ये एक स्टैंडर्ड फोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर है जो आपके डिजिटल कैमरा या स्मार्टफोन से ली गई फोटोज और वीडियोस को स्टोर करता है। तो अगली बार जब आप अपनी फाइल्स को ब्राउज करेंगे तो आपको पता होगा DCIM का क्या मतलब होता है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करना मत भूलना। फॉर मोर टेक इनसाइट्स मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट शॉट में।